Hello South, I'm Kenny, and today is the first half day of the day, so let's get on with the news. Here's the half day schedule. Our next block starts at 9:10, fourth block starts at 10, and the school day ends at 10:40. All bus pass requests must be received before school starts. If they are received after, there is no guarantee the request will be completed. In-person conferences are tonight from 4 to 7 p.m. Bring your parents or guardians and let them know all the great things you are doing in class. No appointment needed. SK Fire and Rescue is having safety classes over spring break. Check out the flyer on the athletic office door. If you lost anything lately, please check the lost and found at the security office. Anything unclaimed by the end of tomorrow will be donated to charity. We have some exciting news about graduation. We are excited that Bella DiBartolomeo will perform her original solo composition written especially for the class of 2028 at the Tacoma Dome during graduation this year. Congratulations, Bella! With it being a half day and no lunches today, I am really hungry.
Hello guys, and welcome back to a new episode of a new series that I'm doing called Rodrigo's Cooking. Yay! I can put some tortas on the screen now, like this one, or this one, and that one, or even this one. And we're gonna put it on the stove. We're gonna turn it up to about medium heat. I like to just pull the stick and just rub it around. Just put a healthy amount, not too much, not too little. You're gonna get like half this meat in here. Wanna like just move it around. Let it cook. You can turn it up a bit if you need it. Grab our bread. We're gonna toast it on the back side first. Grab our cheese. We're just gonna sprinkle it on. Then we're gonna grab our meat and put it on top. Beans and just put them on top. Depending on how much you like beans, meat, you can put it on to your liking, obviously. Grab your other side, you're gonna put it on top.
I am definitely making that after school. On to sports news. Final Form registration is open for both cheer and dance tryouts for next school year. Dance tryouts are on April 27th to the 29th, and cheer tryouts are on May 12th to the 15th. Check in with the athletic office for more information. Senior athletes, if you have signed up to play a sport in college and have not yet contacted the athletic office, please do so ASAP. Now for the schedule of events. Today, only fast pitch is in action as they take on Port Angeles here at home. Tomorrow, track is out early to complete at the Pasadena Invite. Baseball heads to the mound against Olympia with JV away and varsity at home. In club news, Just Serve is sponsoring Kids Helping Kids food drive for the Bremerton Backpack Brigade and the SK Backpack for Kids programs until May 7th. Collection bins are in the main office and the library. And with it being a half day, please check with your advisors since most clubs do not meet on half days. Well, that's it for today's show. Have a good day, South. See you tomorrow.